Alright, so here are the boxes for the HogWorkz ring light. And the boxes are very nice presentation. It has the magnetics. I like that in these types of boxes. And I am not going to take them out yet until I'm ready to install them. It is a little late at night, but I just want to look at them for right now. I did go in for the black, and this one came with the passing lamps. Ooh, it came with a sticker too. Just put those over there. Those look really nice. I think the rings light up in this because it seems the same as that, but we will find out in a little bit. Okay, so pretty much open the box here. There's the headlight. I wonder if it's just that's just the packaging. So let's take that out. Okay, so it does come with the weird plug, but it should have the adapter in there. Nope. Let's set that over there. I am very bad at this gimbal. Let's see. Oh, it came with a different ring. Ooh, 2 different rings. Okay. So I have to just replace them. I guess. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Then the adapter. So the headlight does come with easy instructions. Changing headlights actually fairly easy from what I would have thought. Just 2 rings and the clip. And then there should be an attachment to that. So I'll be opening that. Here's the old headlight. My friend taped it all together. It's been like that for a year. Oh, that is a bright motherfucker. Yeah, it works. Here's the halo. This is actually a hard part. I cannot find the hole. Tee-hee, that's what she said. Oh, found it. Okay, so the passing lamps aren't hard. It's just that they're annoying because you have to have a little wrench to hold that nut if it's, if it keeps spinning. So you gotta unscrew that to take off the bracket, which then takes out the whole light. And I'll show you what I keep messing up on because I keep putting it backwards. I'm really hoping I did that right. Okay, I guess I didn't do it right. Fuck. Okay. I don't know. Kitty. So let's see how it works. Yeah, we got light. Alrighty. Yeah, look at that. Not bad. So looking at both of this footage, it looks like the stock light looks better looking in the same alley that I pointed it at, but on the road it actually, the HogWorkz is better because it brightens up with the passing lamps. The passing lamps work so much better. I'm just putting a full screen right here as a different comparison of both. This is the stock and here is the HogWorkz. You be the judge. I'm also going to have some riding footage right after this, so that will be a better comparison.
kind of a pitch black area. It's almost there. Got a little light bleed from the school, but not the area I want to go yet. Yeah, this is very nice actually. I can't honestly remember. Would have to look back at the video. 60 with the visor up as well. Now the visor down, and I know I didn't want any street lights or any cars in front of me, but I mean, this is where I went for the comparison. It doesn't look too bad. It definitely lights up everything. I can see both sides. Thing is, I wish the sides were lit up brighter, but I know that would be a bad thing for oncoming cars, mainly because, you know, brightness, whatever, get in their eyes. Now pointing just straight to the cornfield though, or wherever the tree line, that's not bad. Oh shit, I never did the high and low, but whatever. Okay, here's regular low, here's a high beam. Doesn't really change much. I'm gonna turn off the passing lamps. Okay. Yeah, see, without the passing lamps, it definitely, like, I can see everything in front of me, and I'm not really focused on the sides, but when I turn that on, I see everything on the sides. It's definitely wider and brighter, but I don't know. I think the headlight by itself is pretty decent. Ah, fuck. Adding passing lamps to your bike would definitely, like, for sure add so much more light, and I think it's such a better safety feature just adding that kind of light. Even if you have a halogen headlight, I'm not sure how this works with the electrical. Adding a halogen and then LED add-ons, I'm not sure if that will throw any codes or throw, like, you know, blow a fuse. I really sure hope not, but I don't think it would do too much. I mean, my bike it says it came with just LED already, but I think it's just because it's so old, it was not burning out, but just kind of getting a little dull. I'll have to look back on that, but I think I'm wrong, because I think the headlight was halogen and then the passing lamps are LED. So, saying this is my visor up, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure it's completely fine with the fairing. I'm not getting too much wind in my face anyway. But also, yeah, this setup I just did. Like, I just plugged it. I had my microphone from before in my previous videos, like 4 years ago. Still have that. And I just put like a Velcro strip, and then with this helmet the helmet I have is a 3-piece. And I just didn't need you need the other part of the Velcro. I just kind of stuck it on the fabric, and it's sticking pretty well so far. I mean, I've used it for, I don't know, 5 minutes, so take that for what you will. I'm not saying do it, because this helmet I like and I hate this helmet too. I'll probably talk about that more in another time if I do more videos that I come up with. I'm only doing stuff that I don't see on YouTube. That's kind of what I want to do for the heated gear. God damn. For the heated gear. Oh no, see, this is why the wire is Did it rip the Velcro off? Yeah. Well, no, it ripped the sticky off. I'm gonna have to super glue this. But yeah, that's why I did that one touch, because I didn't see any videos on it, and I wish I did more riding in that video, to be completely fair, because it didn't really show me riding out in the cold, because mainly, I think I said it in the video, I was shooting it in July, so I had some time with it, and I might do a later review on it, or something. Oh my god, this sucks. So yeah, that's those are the HogWorkz headlights.